Hi, I'm Elise, a final year mechanical engineering student at NUS. So a little about me is that I study aeronautical engineering at Singapore Polytechnic, and I actually stayed in Yusof Hall for 2 years during my time at NUS. So let me share with you what it is like to study mechanical engineering. So in your first year, the program actually focuses on fundamentals for design and engineering with some of the common College of Design and Engineering courses. Subsequently, you will dive into more complex topics and learn how to apply them to real-world problems. So you will study courses such as thermodynamics, control system, fluid mechanics, manufacturing, materials, and engineering design. What's great is that you don't just learn the theory in class, you actually get to apply them in labs, hands-on projects, which actually makes the whole experience more practical and exciting. So for my current final year project, I actually get to apply this concept to actually study the aerodynamics of wings, which is heated in a wind tunnel. So you might be thinking, why mechanical engineering in NUS? So what I love about mechanical engineering is how versatile it is. So you'll get a strong foundation in core mechanical engineering principles, while having the flexibility to specialize in areas that interest you, such as energy, aeronautical, and robotics. So I also had the flexibility to choose my own timetable, or you can also customize your learning by choosing electives that actually match your interests. So some students even take up second majors or minors to broaden their skill sets. So there are many opportunities beyond academics, such as the NUS Overseas College program and the Student Exchange program. Lastly, I also love the vibrant student life in NUS, with many CCAs to join and a strong student welfare support. So the professors and staff here are very supportive, making the learning journey even more enjoyable. So in year 3, I actually get the opportunity to apply what I learned through an internship at a local company. I work on projects that require problem solving, critical skills, and analytical skills. So this experience was extremely valuable as it helped me to see how the skills developed through the NUS curriculum are transferable to real-world engineering challenges. So my passion for the aerospace industry was further strengthened during my internship with an aviation company, where I actually saw concepts like aerodynamics came to life in practical application. I also had the amazing opportunity to go on a semester exchange program at the Technical University of Hamburg in Germany last year in semester 2. So this was an experience I would never trade anything for it, as it allowed me to gain insights into different culture, develop independence, and make friends from all over the world. So going on exchange truly broadened my perspective, and I also had the chance to travel and explore new places with friends. I'm also in several CCAs, and I joined the Society of Mechanical Engineering as Enhanced Project Director last year, and I'm currently serving as the External Vice President. We have organized various industry visits and 3D modeling workshop and coding workshop in collaboration with professors and external organizations. So our goal is to enhance the holistic development of mechanical engineering students and provide industry exposure. So I stayed in NUS Yusof Hall for my first 2 years at NUS. So I joined multiple CCAs where I built long-lasting friendship. In addition, as I love running, I had the opportunity to represent NUS in track competition and road races. Lastly, I encourage you to actually explore your interests and take advantage of the many opportunities at NUS, whether it is joining a CCA, going on exchange, or taking part in competition or projects. So it will definitely make your time here more enjoyable. So please scan the first QR code to find out more about mechanical engineering program, and the second to learn more about other programs in CDE. Thank you.